Hello everyone, I'm Caste. I'm a solo founder building apps and websites until I make some money online. I will not cut my beard until I will make $1,000. And right now I'm sitting at $100-ish per month with one app. Recently I came across this Reddit post, Apple Outreach Advice, by a user who's trying to get his first 100 users. He posted on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and managed to get only 13 users. I had the exact same problem, so I'm here today to share what worked for me. For context, I run a website that turns things into images, without ads, without paid promotion, without social accounts, posts, anything. And I went from 0 to now averaging 12 users organically per day. Before publishing my website, I let Cloud create the first initial marketing pages. Each page targets a specific keyword a user would search to end up in my website. Things like PDF to image, article summarizer, the kind of things a user would type to find a tool like mine. The trick here is to match the page to the exact word someone would type. I ran a deep search in Perplexity and asked him to find any competitors that does the same thing or something similar to my website. Then turned that list into more pages, comparison pages like website X versus my website. And why this works? Because if someone try another website and this doesn't work, they need to find an alternatives, and I am the alternatives. After this, traffic start moving and I was getting like 2 users per day, and that's a gold mine. Once people started using my website and generating images, I realized I was blind because I didn't knew who were these users, what these users were doing, and how much they cost me. I just knew that I was spending lots of money in AI calls. So I'm installing a metering and analytics layer. It's called vv.org, and suddenly I could see anything. The exact flow every user take through the site, how much every user cost me, and I could set limits to plans, so actually I was not wasting money. Knowing my cost per user actually helped me a lot not burning lots of money. But the bigger unlock was the data, because unlocked what's coming next. Every image my user were creating, I would take them and turning into blog pages. The logic is simple. If one person searched on how to do one thing, other person are doing the exact same things. And now there's a page for it. Basically, user are writing content for me. Step 4 ties back to metering, because I've added an onboarding, and with Vivi I started monitoring what users were choosing, so who they were, what would they like to do in my website, and other things. So I learned that most of my users are teachers, students, content creator, and they want to turn PDF and online articles to images. Then I combine these answers into specific page for that specific niche. So teacher, PDF, teacher, online articles, students, and all for all the combination I got from the onboarding. And that's how I got here. Right now I'm average 10 to 16 unique users per day. Every few weeks I just rerun the image to blog. New users will generate new images and new images become page to find new users. It's a flywheel. More people use my website, more reason Google has to send to me more people. Right now, this website has generated organically around $100 totally, sitting at I think $20 per month. But making money was never the goal. The goal was to grow the audience and actually understand the niche. That part's gone, so now Act 2 begins. Monetization. If you want this to become a series, please leave a comment and I'll share everything I do. Every step, the numbers, what works, and of course what doesn't work.